Snowmobile trail groomers may be working on the trail at any time, day or night. They are there to make your riding smooth and pleasurable, but are working at a snail's pace compared to the speed of a snowmobile. So always watch out, slow down, and yield to groomers. Freshly groomed trails need time to refreeze, so don't follow a groomer. Give them a break by not immediately destroying their work. Brought to you by the American Council of Snowmobile Associations and the Federal Highway Administration. Visit snowmobileinfo.org.